In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create this glitch effect. So what you have to do, you have your videos here, two or more, where you like to decide where you like to add this to create this glitch effect, and then you go to here in project, you go to new item, and please now select adjustment layer. Now just grab, drag and drop this adjustment layer. Now I'm going to zoom in, and we just have to resize this. So this adjustment layer will only last about 8 to 6 seconds, depends on how much you want, but I'll go with 6 seconds. And now I'm gonna go to effects, so you can find effects here. Just enable the effects. Now here, please write wave warp and just double click. And now we also need effect control, and here we should have you double click, you can add this effect to your adjustment layer. And now we're gonna have to increase this, hover over video. Here I need this to also the direction 180 degrees, and the width now um, like this. Here we also need to set to all edges, and here I think even more. Now here like this. Here we have the direction. We should change to this, and now here 4. Maybe it's too fast. Let's increase this. All right, and now let's change to noise. Like this, and okay, this in effects. And actually, let's go in Windows here. Let's go to colors, and I'd like to increase the contrast, and just to add a increase intensity and exposure, just to make this more bright, the colors. And of course now you can add effect, a glitch effect, which I don't have right now, but you can search on Google, and from somewhere you can download the glitch effect. But here now you have this glitch effect. Remember to add this scale, select actually here, to add about here, I like 1000 or 1200 or 900 to click this the way you like. I mean, it's up to you actually. There's not really a specific number. But the direction, it's important to be 180 degrees. So looks good. And now the wave speed. So you don't have to create the animation. This effect does the job, because you can change the speed from here. And now you have a glitch effect. Looks pretty good. And if it's laggy for you, what you have to do is to go to sequence here and click on render in and out. And that's the end of this video. I really hope you found this helpful. Make sure you subscribe for more, And if you have any questions or suggestions or problems that you're facing right now, you'd like to know how to fix or how to do something in Adobe Premiere, let me know in the comment section. I'll create a tutorial for you. Thank you so much for watching and take care.